a doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. A letter. L-E-T-T-E-R. Letter. A nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. A postman. P-O-S-T-M-A-N. Postman. Let's read and spell one more word. A stamp. Stamp. S-T-A-M-P. Stamp. Let's listen. Mike is sick. The doctor looks in his mouth. Ah!
It is not very bad. I will ask the nurse to give you some medicine. Just drink more water and you will be fine.
The doctor says, "Thank you, doctor," says Mike.
You are welcome,
says the doctor. As Mike and his mother are leaving, a postman comes in. Oh! He drops a letter on the floor. Mike picks up the letter to give to the nurse. Look at the stamp on this letter. It has a beautiful picture of a frog. Would you like the stamp? Asks the nurse. Yes, please. I like the stamp very much. Thank you, says Mike. You are welcome, says the nurse. Let's sing. I am sick, I need a doctor, a doctor, a doctor. I am sick, here is the doctor, I feel better now. N, 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 n. Listen to the sound of the letter N. 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 Let's say the words that begin with the N sound. N. N. Nose. N. N. Nurse.